Hi everybody, welcome to Autism Sing with me, Daniel Perkins. Today I'm going to sing a country oldie, the song The Cattle Call, which was originally sung by Tex Owens in 1934. Whoo-ooh-ooh-doo-di, whoo-ooh-ooh-doo-di, oh-de-lay-oh-dee. The cattle are a-prowling, the coyotes are howling, out where the donkeys roll. The spurs are a-jingling, the cowboy is singing his lonesome cattle call. Ooh-ooh-ooh-dee, ooh-ooh-ooh-dee, oh-de-lay-oh-dee. He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up the cattle each fall. Hoo-dee, singing his cattle call. For out he would ride, the rain far and wide, when the night would go up a squall. His heart's like a feather in all kinds of weather. He sings this cattle call. Hoo-dee, hoo-dee, oh-lay-oh-dee. He's brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Hoo-dee, singing his cattle call. Hoo-dee, hoo-dee, oh-de-lay-oh-dee. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and don't forget, support your local arts organization. Stay strong, stay safe, and get vaccinated.